So I decided to make a video on this because I figured that's the right thing to do. This is the sun is glaring in my eyes. This is a dryer. You call it a Fisher and Paykel dryer. It's rather different. It's unique. And so you find out that this fine thing is squealing, whatever. And you're ambitious and you decide to figure out, hey, you know, it needs a bearing. Yeah, that's what it is. And and then you go, okay, where's the bearing? The bearing is, can you see this? Right here. This is the drum. This is the drum. And there is the bearing. But that's not, see that? That's my bearing. That's not their bearing. Okay, just bear with me. So you find out that it's this. You see that? It's a bushing. A bushing. See? They sell you this. And then this slides inside right there. This is the bearing. This right here. That thing slides. That bushing slides right on that thing. And these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, goes. I can see my. There it is. I'm getting too damn old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Screws right in here on the drum. And then the washer, the cap, and the screw bolt goes on top of it, and that's it. So what ends up happening is they sell you this whole thing for like, God, this, how much? You'll see. You'll see when you watch other videos how much this thing ends up to be. It's almost $150, $200 by the time they're done with you. So that's what you do. That's what you get. And that collar that's in there that this thing slides onto. See, this slides in onto it. That thing. I don't. Gosh, I didn't have my other phone with me. Anyway, you will see this bolt goes into that thing. That's also held in the back of the washing machine by another bolt from the other side. They're the same bolt from the other side. Okay, one bolt, one holds on this side, the other one holds the collar from the other side. So nothing goes wrong with that. Nothing goes wrong with that shaft that this slides onto. Nothing goes wrong with that. But to replace that, of course, you got to take the whole dryer apart. You got to take the whole thing down and go to the other side and take the whole thing down. You will see. You watch other videos, you find out. Nothing goes wrong with that. So I'm charging an exuberant amount of money. So let me tell you what's going on here. I say this is not right. This is not right. So what did I do? I simply took this out. Out it goes, and I put a real bearing. See that? A real, honest to goodness bearing. See that? 5/8 inside diameter, 1.25 outside diameter. You just take the whole thing out and you slide it right in there. Slide it in there, okay? Just simply slide it in there, and just like that. See that? Just like that. Ain't going nowhere. Okay, watch. You can also buy these things. They're about, I don't know, $4, $5. Okay, but trust me, just go online, you'll find out. For $5, okay. You simply take that out, you don't do nothing. Just take all that crap out, slide this in there, put them on there, and you're done. You can also buy these things. But with a flange. See that? It's got a flange. That's the right size, you know. See that? It's got a flange. Yeah, for extra, you know, for extra goodness, I suppose. Slide them in there. It's the wrong size, of course, but slide them in there. See? They also come with flanges, you know, different kind of bearings. See? Stick them in there. Put your bolt on, and you're done. You can also buy bushings with a flange. See? Stick them in there. See that? Stick them in there. Put your... I would not buy bushings. I would buy bearings. A lot smoother, nicer, quieter, much more civilized, and it's cheap. You can buy 4 of these for $10 at Amazon. That's right. 4 of these. You can buy this kind with a flange. 4 of them for $10. Lasts you forever. And if they ever make noise, and they, of course, because you know, whatever, you just have simply unbolt it, take it out. See this rubber thing? You simply take it out. Take a knife, take it out, wash it, pack it with high heat grease, stick them in there, and it will last you for another 5,000 years. Put the washer on, put the bolt on, you're done. So there you have it. See, there is. Can you see this? Can you? I can't see worth the beads. There it is. Can you see? My washer, slide it on there, and there it is. There it is. Let me see. You know what? I'm getting old. I gotta check to see. I need somebody to hold to do the camera job while I'm. Let me get the camera. Okay, I'm right on it. See, right there. Okay, I'm ready. See, there is. Yeah, there is the bearing. Slide it on there. There's the washer. See that? And the bolt. See, it ain't going. I did not even put all the other crap. What for? Around here. This ain't going nowhere. This thing sits. See this thing. This drum sits on the collar on the outside and here. See, this does not hold that crap. The crap out here does not hold the drum. You know, to go anywhere. So you put it on. Look. See. Put it on there. Anyway, tighten them up, and it ain't going nowhere. Let me tighten that thing. There we go. Now, see that? Okay, see that? All right. Let's close this thing. Let's close this thing. All right, close it. Okay, hang on. Let me see. Let's see how nice and smooth. Now watch. A bearing is a different animal, and you don't have to spend how much? Exuberant amount of money. Okay. Here we go. All right. Power is on. All right. How about the start? How about the start? There we go. All right. No problem. Look at that. All right. Oops. So there you have it. Piece of cake. Nice and smooth. No problems. No problems. All right. Stop. Got it. Please wait. Open the door. I'm unlocking the lid for you. All right. There you have it. It's toasty in here. Piece of cake. So I happen to have this. I happen to have that bearing in my garage. I have, in fact, I had a couple of them. I had this one and that one. So anyway, I just took a bearing, stick them in there, and then you see, it's got nowhere to go. It's got nowhere to go. There. There's the bearing, washer, another bolt over it, screw bolt, whatever. See? Nothing to it. So it doesn't cost me anything. That's my point. But if it cost you anything, it would be $5. Okay? There you go. Okay, there you go. No problems. No problems. Piece of cake. Any questions? Leave it right in the comment. This is not a brain surgery. It's quite straightforward. The simplicity of it is mind-boggling, and how much they charge you is way out of human decency. And I'm saying to you, it's $5. Okay? And it takes 4 minutes to install it. Unscrew this darn thing. Take their bolt out. Take their bolt out, take the cap off, unscrew this, take the whole thing out, take the bushing, stick the real bearing in there, put their washer back on, put their bolt back on, and you're done. Bingo. Okay? I hope this helps somebody. If you like this, okay, leave me a comment, thumbs up, okay, and I appreciate it. Okay, bye-bye.